So I don't know if you can hear the melodic tones of the generators all around me, but we're in the middle of a power outage. Significant one, because normally it's, you know, a couple hours and we're good. This has been 18 hours now. And I wanted to make a cup of coffee, but of course that wasn't gonna happen. And I don't really have a good setup here to cook. I can cook in the teardrop, no problem, but my teardrop is still not here. Luckily, the Amazon person brought me a little something that might solve my problems. And you want to talk about an unboxing? This is completely unopened. So we're all going to be surprised with this one. Well, I know what it is, but I mean how it works. Now, my lovely assistant has come to help me. What we have here is the Portal by Westfield Outdoors Inc. And we have a folding table. So we can see it comes in a bag with a strap. So that makes things helpful. And the bag has two sections in it, so that helps to keep things together and not banging off each other. Ooh, instructions. Dare we use them? So you flip that up to lock it into place. Interesting. That's different. Each leg has its own clip, so you can adjust it on uneven ground. Confused Chris noises. There we go. Well, that wasn't so bad at all. Came up fairly quick, fairly easy. I didn't even need to use the instructions. Let's see what it can do. Almost totally full. That's a good bit of weight, and it is stable. No creaking sounds. There are some scratches here just from that. It seems to just be superficial though. Yes, I know it, do it backwards. I just find this easier. Overall thoughts, the only, I guess, kind of downside that I have is, this is as high as it gets. So it's a low table. The top seems to be a little easy to scratch. It's already got scratches on it now thanks to the water jug. Time will tell whether that's cosmetic, possibly a problem, although I don't really plan on leaving it out in the rain and all that. Set up very quick, very intuitive. I like that. I like the little hammock underneath. You probably don't have a good view of that. I don't think I'd use that for anything major or heavy. Size is, well, big enough for a stove, but not prep. It would either be prep or stove, but not both unless you have a small stove. So far, I'm quite happy with this purchase, and we'll wait till see what happens when I finally get my trailer. Thanks for joining us. If you saw any value to this, please like, subscribe, share with your friends. I really appreciate it. I know I say that with every video, and that's because it's true. Hopefully, this is a piece of kit that you can help. And if not, if you were on the fence, maybe I got you on the fence or off the fence. We'll see you out there. Safe travels. Oh, thank you.